There's Kia and Ben at the ice rink.
Look at Mommy.
Except for we're having a little bit of a snowstorm. There's too much snow on the ice. So they can't skate. But we're going to make s'mores. Hey guys.
Look up.
Look up and say hi.
Hi everybody.
Say hi. We're in all of our snow clothes. We're going to make s'mores. Hi.
Hey, stay still. Who is it?
What's up? What's happening with it?
Oh, can you just...
Snowball making 101. Make it on a table. Keep adding the snow. Add that snow. Oh, is that a serious ball? Just don't throw it at anybody's face. Yeah. Maybe you can make your snowman.
We'll try to make our own snowman.
That's a good idea. Make it on the couch.
Yeah, could you help me with... Oh, Kia, you're messing up this. Okay.
Just keep smacking it.
Help me.
Keep smacking it hard. Make a big, nice big snowball.
Get it? Then make the biggest snowball.
Hey, little s'more kid. Making your marshmallow?
Mine's is on the top one like
Putting a marshmallow?
Look, mine starts getting nice. Look.
Pay attention to the marshmallow, Mr. Ben.
It's like I'm standing right here and
I know, it's just pouring out. There's Kia and his marshmallow.
Yeah, that's a really good looking marshmallow. That's perfect.
How about mine?
Really good at that.
I know, I'm good with flames.
How about mine? Is mine?
Here, I'll help you. That's it later.
You gotta be very careful. It's starting to turn. Just starting to turn.
Too hot, Ben? Then you gotta back up. Ben and Kia making snowballs on the ice rink. There's way too much snow. So they're trying to make snowballs. It just turns into dust. Of course, they've moved as far away as possible. Orange dot, blue dot, throwing snow.